Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be baking, and the easiest, quickest baking you're ever going to come across. We're going to be making, as you saw from the title, a microwave cake in a cup. The cake that you come up with is a very nice chocolate cake, obviously in a mug. It shouldn't take you longer than a few minutes to make, and we're going to go through the whole process today. Let's just go through the ingredients that you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need 35 grams of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, some vanilla essence, and that's it. It's really basic, you don't need much more than that. This recipe is actually designed to mix everything in the cup, put it straight in the microwave, and there you go. So first of all, you're going to mix all your dry ingredients together. Flour, your sugar, your cocoa powder. Once you've got all your dry ingredients together, just give it a little bit of a mix, and then you can start adding the wet ingredients. As mentioned earlier, you need 2 tablespoons of milk, but I'm going to start with 1 for now. I'm going to add half the butter. You don't need any food mixer or whisk or anything, you just mix it around with a spoon. When it starts getting thicker, then you can add the rest of the ingredients. First of all, I'm going to make a little hole and add the egg. And then I'm going to add the rest of the wet ingredients. Just make sure that you have everything thoroughly mixed, otherwise you're going to end up with lumps in your cake, and you don't want that. After a bit of mixing, it will turn into a sticky goo, which is a good thing. It's a sign that it's almost ready. And there you go. As you can see, everything's mixed in well, and now it's ready to pour it into the cup. The recipe doesn't call for the next step, but I do it anyway. You can eat the cake directly out the cup, but if you want to take it out for serving purposes, just take a bit of spray and cook and line the cup out with it. And then you can just spoon the mixture into your cup. Okay, and then the final step is to put your cake mixture in the microwave for 70 to 90 seconds. Be careful not to overcook it. The classic check is to stick a fork in, take it out, and if it's dry, it's ready. So I'm going to go for 75 seconds for now, and we'll see if it's ready. And there you have it. I had it in the microwave for about 75 seconds. And it's come out perfectly. Now it's time for the big taste test. We're going to be serving our microwave cake in a cup. So as you can see, it comes out as a longish cake. So if you want to be fancy and serve some of the cake for guests, unexpected guests in particular, you can just cut it up nicely, put it on a cake, and then you can dress it with anything you want to. If you want to put melted chocolate sauce over it, or custard, or in our case we're going to be using some whipped cream. Then if you really want to get fancy, you can garnish it with some cinnamon. Give it a real coffee shop flair. And there you go, guys. Really not bad at all. If you'd like more details on this recipe, please follow the link below to my blog. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next week guys, cheers.